Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn how to hide this ABC placeholder. Whoever is not subscribed, kindly subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Let's jump into our Tableau. Here, this is the simple cross tab I have created by using the two fields. One is a category and another one is a region. Right now you can say category we are having, region we are having, and we are having one more extra column with the ABC, right? So this we will call it as the ABC placeholder in Tableau. Now, what exactly this ABC will do? Means after dragging required dimensions, so still there is there is an ABC. We can drag any of the dimension or measure to fill this ABC values. Now here you can see just I am dragging the sales into text. Now whenever we are dragging any dimension or measure into text, automatically it is going to fill up with the numbers. Okay, now this is fine. Whenever we are using measure, right? So uh, we are going to fill this ABC. But how to give the name of this, right? So normally measure names and measure values we can use. Then we can give the names also for these measures. But I am not going to use any measures if I want to just create a simply one cross tab kind of thing. Now what I am going to do is I am going to drag these cells into rows. Now whenever we will use measure values either in column shelf or row shelf, automatically the Tableau is going to generate a one bar chart, which we are seeing now. Right now the customer don't want to see any bar chart, just he want to see the only cross tab. Now, as it is, as we know, sum of sales is a continuous measure. Now I am going to convert this continuous measure into a discrete measure. So to convert to discrete measure, just I am clicking here, just convert into a discrete. Now I am having a table. Still, after converting into a discrete, again, I am able to see the ABC. Now how to hide this one? To hide this one, I am going to create a simple calculation with a string, with the name. Just create a calculated field. Here I am giving name as a sales title. Here you can give any name guys for your calculation. Just I am going to write some name here with the double quotes. Why I am taking only this sales here is like whatever the last field I am using in my cross tab, that name you have to take it, because if you want to see sales, then you have to take the sales. If you want to show something date or something, then you are going to take any of the dimension something. Okay, here the customer wanted like sales amount. Just I am changing here. Just click on OK. Now here I am having a calculation. So after creating the calculation, what I am doing is just I am dragging this one into column shelf. Once we will drag the calculated field into column shelf, now here you can see we are getting a sales amount name. In some, right, so some scenarios you may get like the sales title also. So what you can do is just right click on the sales and hide the labels. That way you can do it. Okay. Now here we are having a sales amount, but here in these, whatever the values we are showing under the sales, these values we have to show in the place of ABC for each row. So for that, what I am going to do is whatever I am using sales, sum of sales in the rows, I am dragging and keeping in the text. Now you can see we don't have any ABC placeholder. This way we can hide the ABC placeholder. It's the simplest way. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any doubts, please give a comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel guys. Thank you.